Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your POCO X6, first I'm gonna check if it actually works with the wireless charger. So let's take a look. As you can see, nothing is popping on the screen, so it means that this smartphone unfortunately doesn't support the wireless charger, the wireless charging. And the second method is very obvious, that you will actually have to use the USB-C cable. So let me just bring mine. Here it is. And when I'm gonna plug the USB-C cable into the USB-C port, I can actually find the charging information. But right now I'm using actually the charger from my Pixel 7 Pro. And when you enter for the battery settings on this smartphone, you can find actually a very useful option. So let me show you. It's actually in the additional features, and that's actually the speed up charging. So as a default, this function is turned off, so I can recommend you to turn it on. And when you connect the supply charger, you will actually speed up charging when the screen is off. So yeah, that's all. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.